So for this question, we would use like the AC method. And I've split up like this term into two terms, and we know it holds because of this principle. So over here, what I've done is that z times z to the power 3 would be z to the power 4. And then z to the power 3 times this would be this. So to go from this to this one, we still need another negative 9 to the power negative 9z to the power of 3. We would write it over here. Basically, it would be a zigzag pattern. And then we find that this one must be negative 9z to the power of 2, as we divide this term by z. Then our next step would be negative 9z squared times negative 3, which would be 27z to the power of 2. Now from 27 to 31, you would need to add an extra 4, so 4z squared. 4z squared divided by z is 4z. 4z times negative 3 is negative 12z. Now let's do 12 and 108. So we would need 120 more z. 120 over here, and therefore this is negative 360. But right now we've only done the first step, divided by this. So let us do the second step. Okay, so now we want to multiply to the above that we've just got from the previous part. So z cubed divided by z would be z squared, 3z squared, and we need to minus 12z squared in this case. And then over here, you would add negative 12z. And this would therefore be negative 36. Since this is negative 36z, do not forget the z, and we need 4z. The difference is gonna be 40. So you need 40 more z's over here. Now times 40 for this, and this would therefore be 120. So we therefore know that the final answer for this should be x squared minus 12x. X squared minus 12z whoops, of course, I've muddled up the signs again. Z squared minus 12z add 40. Apologies. Always make sure what sign is inside. So, the next step from here would basically be to fill in the values for b and c. So, in this case, b is going to be negative 12 and c is going to be 40.